Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to upgrade the interior light. First we're going to remove the first cover, but using interior removal tools. Never use a screwdriver, you'll just end up breaking or scratching any parts of the plastic. So what I'm going to do is pry it in, just give it a bit of force and then just run it along, and as you can see it's just unclipping. Run it all the way around and get ready to catch it. Now we've taken the cover off, just need to remove that bulb there. What I'm going to do is take the second part out just to make it easier for myself to install the bulb. Two wires are exposed, unclip them. There we go, that's one. Excuse the hand. And that's two. So to remove the bulb, remember this goes into the roof. Get your tool, pry the little lever. There we go, straight out. Now we're going to fit the LED upgrade. Remember this is polarity sensitive as well, so we're going to put it in. So if it doesn't work, we'll just take it back out and refit it the other way. There we go. So the LEDs should be facing down. So we're not going to fully install it, but we're going to put the connectors on just to test it. Right, let's try it. Amazing. Right, let's fit it all back in. Now we've seen it working, I'm going to put it all back together. Working. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.